freezer, air fryer, coffee maker, hair dryer, dishwasher, epilator, rice cooker, refrigerator, dehumidifier, television, amplifier, dehumidifier, electrical appliances. Around your home, you can find lots of electrical appliances. But how can you save electricity?
Here's a few ideas.
When the air conditioner is on, keep windows and doors closed. Don't leave your computer on overnight if you're not using it. Spend a bit less time in the shower. Wait until you have a full load of laundry before washing your clothes in a washing machine. Also, use the cold water setting. If there are lights switched on that you don't need, well, switch them off. When it's time for a new light bulb, make sure the ones you buy are energy efficient. So, how did I save electricity here? By using a kalimba instead of a keyboard.